Welcome to our quick comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Benchry portable washing machine and the Elevon mini spin dryer. Both of these machines are designed to make laundry easier for those with limited space, whether you're living in an apartment, traveling in an RV, or simply need a compact solution for your laundry needs. In this video, we'll dive into their key features, compare their performance, and help you determine which one might be the best fit for you. When it comes to portability, the Benchry portable washing machine stands out with its foldable design and lightweight construction, weighing only 4.5 pounds. This makes it incredibly easy to transport, whether you're heading to a camping trip or simply storing it in a small apartment. On the other hand, the Elevon mini spin dryer, while still portable, is significantly heavier at 14 pounds and has a rigid structure that doesn't fold. This could make it less convenient for frequent travel, but it does offer a more stable build during operation. In terms of capacity, the Benchry portable washing machine can handle up to 16 liters, making it suitable for small loads of delicate items like baby clothes and socks. However, it is limited in the number of garments it can wash at once. In contrast, the Elevon mini spin dryer has a load capacity of 5.5 pounds, allowing it to wash slightly larger loads, which can be beneficial for users who need to wash more clothes at a time. This makes the Elevon a better option for those who prioritize washing efficiency over portability. The materials used in these machines also play a significant role in their functionality. The Benchry portable washing machine is made from food-grade silicone, which is safe for washing delicate items. Its flexible design, however, raises concerns about long-term durability. In contrast, the Elevon mini spin dryer is constructed from durable plastic, providing a sturdier and more stable option for users. While it may not be as lightweight or compact, its robust build can offer peace of mind for regular use. In conclusion, both the Benchry portable washing machine and the Elevon mini spin dryer offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If portability and ease of storage are your top priorities, the Benchry is the way to go. However, if you require a more robust machine capable of handling larger loads, the Elevon might be the better choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like this.